a bleep bleep. What are you doing? Making me apple cider
Apple cider vinegar is a popular condiment and health food. It's made from apples using a fermentation process, enriching it with live cultures, minerals, and acids. Apple cider vinegar has many applications as a home remedy. One of these is as a hair wash.
Real.
Apple cider vinegar has many applications as a home remedy. One of these is as a hair wash to improve scalp health, strengthen hair, and enhance shine.
What website is that?
I don't know.
It's called Do Your Own Research and check it out. Back to the show. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? Yeah. Yeah, actually.
Yeah, maybe that's more important.
No. This is way more important.
That's not true.
No, it's totally good.
So this is the apple cider vinegar mixture. I'm all out of vitamin E, so this is just jojoba for the meantime.
Down. He missed his auto. Wait a minute. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh, did you add some of that in mine?
No, babe, this is oil for our body. This is a family thing.
Oh.
This is why I got a big bottle. This is jojoba. And vitamin E, but I'm out of vitamin E at the moment.
Ready? It's good for the hair. Look it up.